I wasn't even aware this wasn't possible before. Spotify has begun rolling out support for streaming audio from its standalone Apple Watch app. I didn't know this, but until now, the Spotify app on the Apple Watch was nothing more than a glorified remote control, apparently. Quoting 9to5Mac. The testers report they can use the Apple Watch app of the streaming service autonomously without an iPhone to stream music and podcasts over the cellular network or Wi-Fi. This significantly enhances the Spotify app. Over the weekend, Spotify has apparently started to make the feature available to a larger group of its users. There appears to be a recently played section in addition to access to your library when using streaming on Apple Watch. But one downside is there doesn't appear to be a search feature, so when you start seeing the streaming option, you'll need to rely on Siri to pull up specific songs, artists, albums, etc. In addition, the most recently played content is available. This actually might be the most compelling argument yet for getting the Apple Watch with a cellular connection, though, as described above, you can still achieve the same thing with your normal Apple Watch as long as you're close to Wi-Fi.